2026 Honda Odyssey. This minivan delivers safety and comfort to its passengers. You'll look forward to your commute every day with features such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows. Stop by for a test drive and feel the difference.